Hey everyone, it's Ryan with 9-month college grad, and in today's video, I would like to give you a list of the very easiest online college degrees. So if you're looking at graduating in a really short period of time, we're talking months instead of years, these college degrees may be a very good place to start looking. And hopefully one of these degrees can get you into the dream job that you're hoping to get. So if you're wanting to graduate college the easiest way possible and as fast as possible, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a 2-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel and I'll show you how. Now, let's jump over to my screen. I've got a list here for you, and we're going to go over the easiest college degrees. Okay, so first, the first thing I will show you is business degrees. Business degrees, especially online, they are getting easier and easier because business principles aren't as scientific and mathematic. Yes, you're still going to need to learn some math and some numbers and stuff, but business degrees are what I would call common sense degrees. If you know about business and you feel like you're business savvy, business degrees can be really good. Now, your traditional business management or business administration degrees, very simple, very easy to get. Marketing and advertising degrees, easy to get. And healthcare leadership and management degrees can be easy as well. If you're wondering, like, what's a healthcare business degree? If you want to be in a leadership role in a hospital or something like that, and run the business side of healthcare, that's the type of degree you'd be looking for. Now, business degrees open a huge variety of doors when you're talking career field. So if you are looking at a career that requires a business degree, then I think you should celebrate, because business degrees really are not as hard to get as they used to be. If you're willing to go online, you can get it done really fast. Now, accounting degrees. I didn't include accounting in business. Technically, accounting is business related, but the accounting field is really specific. You get an accounting degree to become an accountant, right? So if you need a bachelor's degree in accounting, it can be very simple and easy to get. You can get it in as little as, under a year sometimes. And master's degrees are pretty simple as well. So I'll leave that at that. If you want to be an accountant, good news, you can get an accounting degree pretty quickly. Now, human resources. I don't know if you've thought about human resources, but people that are interested in hiring, firing, HR employees run payroll and things like that, and training new employees. That's usually what the payroll department is in charge of. So it's kind of a leadership role within a company, but with those very specific things. HR degrees, they're not very difficult to get. And most big companies, almost all big companies, have a need for an HR department. So there are tons of HR jobs. So if you want to get into HR, it's not going to take you very long as you follow degree hacking principles and you're willing to go to school online. I think you can get it done really quickly. Now, teaching degrees, okay? And I am going to make sure I point out, if you want to be a teacher, it doesn't take very long. Some states are in such dire need of teachers, they'll take anyone with any degree. If you literally have any college degree, you can be a teacher. If you do want to be a teacher, I still recommend getting a teaching degree. But here's what I'll say. Core subjects are the easiest to get. Okay, so if you're wanting to be, I mean, math, English, science, like your core subjects, okay? Or a special ed teacher. Special ed degrees, teaching degrees are fairly easy and simple to get as well. Now, if you want to be like a very specialized teacher and teach a very specific thing, so instead of like science classes, you want to be like a chemistry college professor, okay? That's something that's going to take longer. A lot of those jobs require even doctorate degrees in chemistry to be teaching that type of thing. But if you're looking at elementary, junior high, high school, and you want to teach a general subject, you can get a college degree really quickly in as little as a year or even less sometimes. So teaching degrees are amazing and simple to get. Nursing degrees, and this one might be really eye-opening. You might be thinking like, what the heck, like a nursing degree online and it's easy? I know it sounds crazy, but more and more colleges are starting to offer nursing programs online. And guess what? Some colleges have really, really good nursing programs that are not very hard to graduate from. Now, a lot of these programs do require, after you've passed all your classes, to go have some hands-on training at a hospital. And some of these online schools have basically worked out working relationships with local hospitals where you can go and have hands-on training at a local hospital. So if you're wanting to be a nurse or get a nursing degree online, it's definitely find that, like, learn about that stuff, okay? What hospital do you need to go to for that type of training? If any, you might be able to get the whole nursing degree online. So nursing degrees, I know it's really, really surprising to have any degree in the healthcare field be easy and be able to do it quickly, but like the sky's the limit here. Like, you can literally get a nursing degree in as little as a year, even less sometimes. So nursing degrees. Now, IT degrees. If you're interested in working with computers, okay, we're talking, I mean, tons of different computer jobs: software developer, software engineer, a computer program, a web developer, a website designer. If you want to be in the safety and protection side of computing networks, like you can have some really good careers there, okay? Computer science, if you're wanting to go into one of those fields, the core, I guess, I mean, a comparison to like a business administration degree for the IT world would be the computer science degree. A computer science degree is like that very general type. You can open a lot of doors in the IT field and in the internet and computer field. Computer science degrees are very popular right now, and you can do it really quickly. In as little as 6 to 12 months, you can get a computer science degree. Now, a traditional information technology degree is also a big possibility, or a software development degree. So if you really, and they do teach software development in computer science, but if you really want to specialize in software development, you can get a software development degree, and you can do it really quickly. Now, that's the list of my favorite, easiest online degrees. So if you're wanting to go really quickly, this is, I guess, my core list that I would put you onto. There are other degrees that you can earn really quickly. If you're trying to think, which degree should I get? If you're searching for a specific degree, you're welcome to reach out to me and ask me if that degree is possible to graduate really quickly with, okay? If you're wondering what degree you should get, you need to remember that decision should be made in basically together with, what career do you want? What kind of job do you want? Okay? the whole reason we get college degrees is to get the jobs and to have better careers, right? So if you have no idea what you want to do with your future, that might be the best place to start. I will say this though, if you know you want to be in the business field, it's okay to start working on a general business degree, like a business administration degree, and you can kind of figure it out along the way. But if you're in a situation where you're thinking, do I want to do business, or do I want to be a nurse, or do I want to work with computers, or do I want to be a doctor? That's a really important decision that you need to make before you dive into college, because that's what college is for. And yes, there are gen ed classes. You can start doing your math and English and science classes, and then you can specify your major later. But that's where I'd start. What kind of job do you want? What field do you want to work in? And then if one of these degrees can take you there and open those doors, this is great news for you, because these degrees are really, really easy to get. And when I say easy, I don't mean a complete cakewalk. Like, to get a college degree takes hard work. End of story. When I say easy, I mean easiest, okay? A lot easier than most other college degrees would be here on this list. If you're willing to work hard, I'd be happy to help you get a college degree faster. If you'd like to learn about degree hacking, the process that I followed to earn an entire 4-year degree in just 9 months, if you'd like to learn a step-by-step layout of that process, you can go to diplomasecrets.com, and you can watch a free training, step-by-step training that walks you through degree hacking for free. Okay, there's nothing for sale at the end of the video or anything like that. You can literally go to diplomasecrets.com and watch the video for free. You can watch it on your own time whenever you want. Just go over there and I'll shoot you a link to the video. And if you can't watch it till later, that's okay. I'll shoot you a link in your email and you can watch it whenever you want. So I hope this video's helped. I hope that you've had an aha moment and thought, okay, that's the degree I want to get. If not, reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help. You can leave comments below the video, or I'm not very hard to find online, okay? You can hunt me down, shoot me a message, and I'd be more than happy to help. Hope this video's been great for you, and I hope you have a great day.